through the standard commissioning settings to get the unit up and running. Once the unit is full, wired up and all ready to go, this is the selection that you need to do. So I would have had the unit on probably overnight, not touching any of these settings, so when you come to it in the morning, everything is ready to go. So we want to start with just setting the language. We set it to English, we set the time, we set the date. This is quite important for a disinfection cycle, and daylight saving, so yes. We then go to confirm all the settings here, so we know it's a 4 kilowatt outdoor unit, it's got no backup heater, it's a small volume cylinder. If it's over 180 litre, you put it to a large volume cylinder. Emergency mode is manual, number of zones is single, glycol is no, booster heater is 3 kilowatt, and bivalent is no. So we've got our emitter types, so radiators. We want the unit controlled by room thermostat. We want the set point as weather dependent, and we want a 2-point weather dependent curve. So this now needs to be set as 50 degrees is the maximum temperature, 30 degrees as the minimum temperature, and that's at -4 to 15 degrees. We now go on to the tank, which is how we want to control it. So we want reheat only of a hysteresis of 8 degrees. So this is now done. It means it's going to reset and confirm the output. So at this point, what it's doing is basically syncing the system and saving all the settings that we have done and getting the system ready for operation. The only thing that we need to set now before we go on to the actual running up of the heat pump is the tank disinfection cycle, which we'll go through once the unit has restarted. So now it's syncing the indoor unit, so saving all the settings. So if you have a power cut, it reverts back to the last settings that we put in. It's now syncing with the indoor unit, so your thermostat, to making sure everything runs. So currently we have a flashing light here because this unit hasn't done its disinfection cycle, but what we're going to do is set that up. So what we need to do now is log into our user profile, so making sure we put 5, 6, 7, 8 in here to make this installer. So we've already done that. So what you would do is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Press on the OK button and then it gets you into installer settings. So what we're going to go down is just do the disinfection cycle. So we can go to tank, press it again, disinfection cycle. So we disinfection cycle is yes. Friday 1 AM, so this time needs to be set as per the site, 55 degrees for 50 minutes. So we're happy with that. We're done with that, it's good. So now we can go home. It would ask you to restart if you changed any of those settings. So that's the basic commissioning. What we're going to go now up into is running the system up.